guys, welcome back again. We still are here, guys. We're still doing some reaction videos, and I hope you all doing alright, guys. This one is not coming out today. Tomorrow morning, guys, stay tuned. It's coming out for you. I'm gonna make sure it's ready on time. It's all on time, guys. Actually, guys, today's the day, and I'm back with another reaction. Italian song for the world. Let's do it. Nowadays, I'm just doing reaction on like random songs. I don't even know the singers. I mean the artists. I don't know. No, I don't want to know anything about it. As long as the song is good and people watched it, I just want to know why the people watched the song. And this is what we're on about. So if you have any comment you want to share with me, you're allowed to. The comment is there. You can just comment below. You just comment, say whatever you feel like. There, yo, bro, this is yeah. I don't mind. So anyway, guys, let's go on this one as well. Let's do it. Let's make it happen. Let's make it happen. Let's do the thing, man. Yeah. It is what it is, guys. Whoa. I want to read the shit. I don't care if I read it wrong or right. Let me just read it. The thing. Rondo, Nima, Iza. I don't know. Saki Keta, Kilmoni, Valpen. Oh, is this the title? The name of the person or what? It's crazy, man. By the way, let's just go. Let's just feel that vibe of the song, guys. Yeah. Italian music to the world. Here we go. Let's do it. See that? Some gun shit thing going on right here. Look, people are running out the police. Woo! Okay. The guy trying to... Why are you... Oh my god. Who's that guy? He's sounding like who? Who's that guy sing like crazy as well from America? He's a brother from America, guys. I'm trying to remember the guy. Don't tell me. How could I forget that guy with some rainbow hair, some crazy? 69. Hey, here you go. Is that the sound? He sounds like 69. Just say this. Hey, bro, that's leader. Hey, this one is crazy. This one is on fire, man. I see. Some English in it. Some English as well inside phone. Oh shit, man, I feel like I just stand up and dance. Nah. See that? Bro, lay. I have nothing to say now. I want to know who's the guy is this. I want to know who are these brothers in this goddamn song, man. They killed it. I can just... Woo, man. I can feel it at the beginning. Even though the song is not finished yet, I can just feel it, man. They made it happen. You get me, bro? This is what we talk about rap song, man. It's got that vibe, that beat, bro. Can you hear that beat from me? Hey, oh wow. This was mad combination on this song, you know. What a crazy collaboration I hear, man. This is mad. Hey, that's TC. There you go. Hey, okay, my day. Ay, 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 ay. I like that, I like that, I like that. Let me repeat it again. So.
Salam alaikum, Big Man, scendo da range e va. Big Bass, Big Star, tutti sti rapper di trap. Senti più soldi in sta, giovane stella youngster.
Some, hey, some, okay, I see. If you know anyone from this video, whoever dropped this verse in this song, comment below, guys. Say something. Tell me who killed the most. I wanna know from you. Tell me who killed the most, guys. I believe one day I'm gonna drop my own rap song. But it's not now yet. That's what we call dream came true. Let's support our reaction thing first. And if you want me one day to drop some crazy music on it, I will show you how talented I am as well. One day, bro. It's not now. It's not tomorrow. It's not the day that's coming. It's not next week. It's all about plan. You get me? You can't just wake up and start singing. You get me? It's all about plan as well. And you better promote your song. It's not all about singing. You need to know where to promote your song as well. That's how people feel. Some people just wake up and start singing. Do you know how to promote your music? Do you know where to go to to grow your music? Do you know the tips? You don't know no shit. And why are you singing, bro? Take your time. Time will rise, you get me? Time will tell the moment, okay, this is your time to do your stuff as well. And yeah, when you're ready. Anyway, here's Low in this song. I know you want me to play because you can feel the vibe. The link of the original is gonna be below. Go ahead and click on it and watch. But before you do that, don't forget to subscribe on mine first. And don't forget to turn that post notification on as well at the same time, yeah, bro. Let's go, let's go.
Non mi chiedere cosa hai fatto, tanto sai già che non ho parlato. Per dire altro arriva la serve già riservato. Tu fai top ma non sei in un blog, sei solamente un codice errato.
You feel that, bro? Now tell me you're feeling this thing out here.
Ti ha portato a pagare i problemi a una bambina in culla. La tua gente si crede plus ultra, quattro resta fermate la clia. Avessero capito subito giungla, adesso sarebbero con Seven.
Hey, guy, yeah, some bonfire as well. What's that bonfire? What's that fireworks for? That's crazy. I feel like I was in there as well. I just feel like I was in the song. I mean in the video. Crazy. I'm sharing this one. I'm sharing it. I'm sharing it to you. Hey. Wow. Why the hell are they throwing stuff? Oh, okay. Whoa. Do you realize something out here? Oh, they made some crazy stuff out here in this thing. What the hell are they throwing out? Some stones and shit? Wow, they're breaking some things. They're breaking some cars out there. They're outside the stadium as well. Which stadium is that? Where is that location? Where is that place? I wanna know where is that place that destroying some crazy thing. What the hell? But anyway, it's over. You wanna hear that again? You wanna feel that shit? It's done. Whoa. Forget about anything. It's over. Ooh. Yeah, guys. Actually, that was mad, one. That was crazy, one. Still, I feel like I can just, repeat the whole thing. Whoa. Forget about the song. Forget about the sound. Just on that beat, bro. That beat right there was crazy. Whoa, some music in this world are just madness. Mad, bro. But anyway, it's over. It's the end of it. And make sure you subscribe, you share for more like this. You just need to subscribe. That's all you need. You just need to subscribe, to comment and share. And don't forget to send out post notification. And if you need the original one, it's gonna be in the description below. Don't forget to go for that as well. But that's the end of it for today. And see you in the next one. And peace and love together for you guys. Thank you and bye.